94. Nice 6-inch snowstorm we had. That's the temperature. These are all the birds that got caught up here. They're beautiful. And they've been feeding for 2 days before the storm and after. I'm not sure what the name of them birds are. We don't see them after this bad weather though, I bet you. There's all kinds. Coming and coming. Anyway, we got a real blast. Snow drifts in the front and the back and hanging on the barn. By tomorrow we hope it'll be gone. All kinds of the finches. Bird of them all, feeding the birds. She just realized they ate all the feed.